nuts out here, but it's not a lot that's like right here in this area. Because I put feed all around the park, so they're in different areas of the park, spread out. And that squirrel there is taking the nuts and he's burying them for later. He probably won't remember where he buried them. They say that gray squirrels don't remember where they bury the nuts, and that's why, fortunately, we have so many trees and plants because they regrow. Come on, everybody, enjoy. Don't be scared. I'm not too close, I just have my phone zoomed in. I don't want to scare them away.